Still handling customers and bookings over the phone? Need to enable customers to book online? Then it's the time to join the digital revolution, increase revenue and manage time more effectively. We have made very powerful, flexible and advanced appointment booking systems. It's most fit for all type of cleaning businesses, whether it's janitorial, handyman, domestic, carpet, residential or commercial cleaning services. The online booking feature gives your customers to browse your service, generate codes, manage their own bookings, chat and upload images and pay invoices. Our booking system tool can be used in multiple ways. You create your own price, calculation methods, dynamic pricing, add-on services, one-page booking, control over appearance, easy schedule setup, guest user checkout, coupon discount, assign jobs to team members, and many more that makes your booking system like a charm for you and your clients. It's a complete digital solution and of course, fully responsive, easy to access, anywhere, anytime, allowing your workforce to accept payments through websites like PayPal, credit card, or bank. So, what are you waiting for? Want to try before you buy it? Contact us today for a free live demo and see how our online booking system will deliver that you need.